frightening thing I've ever done.
I'm not very good at making decisions.
Well, we won't guess that for a moment. So you've really kept that one very well hidden. The sweetest thing here is to go with no regrets because actually you took the max money out of the game, and that is what we call a bank spanking. And if we now find it and the other correct, you've done a brilliant job.
I'm going to go for ever number one.
Ever. It's always brilliant when somebody has dealt, but it's like that lingering thought, should I have pushed on? If we get the big one out straight away. Ever, open box one for us, please.
Maybe let's find the banker. Good luck.
'Unbelievable. That is so deal or no deal. You had the 1p where that was extraordinary scene with Paddy there, and then he went on to win the $250,000, and actually in the very next game, you've got the $250,000. The Queen of Indecision is going to spank the banker, particularly if you can find 15,000.
I'm going to go for the lovely Kerry, number 14.
Kerry, 14 please. If it's 15,000, this is seriously sweet.
Thanks for the cake. It's alright.
Or 18? There is an interesting twist to this.
13?
13?
I wouldn't, sorry, no. I wouldn't call it my lucky number.
Yeah.
It's the number that follows me everywhere. So I would have left that, so 18.
Right, Gemma, would you please complete everything?
I'm sorry, no.
Gemma, could you please open box 18?
Thank you so much, Kate.